Hey guys, I'm Susanna and today I'm going to show you how to apply a screen protector. Don't forget to subscribe below for more how-to videos like this. Let's get started. Today Helen and I are going to be installing a tempered glass screen protector. I'll be installing it on an iPhone and Helen will be installing it on an Android phone. In the box you'll get an alignment tray and a cleaning kit which includes an alcohol wipe, a microfiber cloth, and a dust remover strip. First we're going to use the alcohol wipe to clean the screen of the phone. We're going to use the microfiber cloth to dry the screen. Next we're going to remove any dust off of the screen, but pro tip, you can use Scotch tape. Roll it up on the side and then mark all of it. Now slowly insert the phone in the alignment tray. And I like to double check to make sure there's no dust on the screen. There's a little speck right here. One more little piece. Got it. And then all you have to do is remove the side that says peel here. And lay from the top down. And you'll see it start to seal. Once that's done, press on the screen just to make sure it's all stuck together. Look at that! Flawless. We have two professional doctors here. And that's how you install a screen protector. This is Susanna with T-Mobile. Thanks for watching. Now stay tuned for another video like this.